The refreshing look in the $1 million line of new Vendo coolers, exclusively built for Coca-Cola, joins the inviting new look that makes American life more pleasurable as well as more practical. For roadside businesses, the selling impact of the new line is literally designed to stop traffic. In offices and industrial establishments, it provides a thing of beauty and enjoyment, as well as a boost to the morale. Profit plus profit. Perpetual profit. There's good selling for dealers as well as salesmen in the selling year ahead, with new merchandising impact everywhere in the exciting festival of the American marketplace.